Is Bitcoin about to skyrocket to new heights?
Join us as we explore insights from financial experts like George Tung on the current Bitcoin surge.
You're in for a treat. We'll be summarizing key takeaways from today's hottest crypto videos.
Exactly. Discover why it's time to pay attention to Bitcoin's upcoming breakout potential.
Welcome to Financial Insights in Minutes, where we help you stay informed.
Don't miss the next segment featuring Anatoly Yakovenko's predictions on Solana.
Let's dive right in. Today's hot topic, the dynamic breakout happening in Bitcoin and the entire crypto market.
Absolutely. The core insight is that both Bitcoin and meme coins are seeing explosive growth as retail investors return.
So what's the big picture from George Tung's latest analysis?
As he emphasizes, the intertwining of low inflation rates and significant liquidity injections from global economies is setting the stage for a major rally.
Let's break down some key points. George is anticipating Bitcoin to breach the $67,000 mark soon. What do you think?
Definitely. Plus, with meme coins experiencing a revival, it's a clear sign that retail investors are back in action.
What about the economic factors George mentioned?
The drop in inflation to 2.2% opens the door for potential rapid rate cuts from the Fed, a good sign for markets.
Institutions are playing a bigger role, right?
Absolutely. A significant inflow into ETFs is pushing Bitcoin out of circulation, tightening supply, and potentially driving prices higher.
What does the future hold, as per George's insights?
With the current trends, Bitcoin could be gearing up for a substantial jump to six figures as institutional cash flows in.
What's the long-term prediction?
George mentions Bitcoin could reach between $220,000 and $290,000 by 2025, based on historical patterns and the upcoming halving.
And what about institutional players? How will they shape the market?
The trend shows them doubling down on Bitcoin, which could lead to significant price surges as they absorb supply from the market.
What wraps it all up for us today?
The overall message is clear. We're in a prime position for Bitcoin's explosive growth. The tide is turning.
But hold on. Up next, we'll reveal insights from Anatoly Yakovenko on this altcoin's about to take over crypto.
You won't want to miss what Anatoly has to say about the upcoming trends.
Let's dive into Solana's groundbreaking advancements at Breakout 2024. You might think it's all memes and no substance, but guess what? There's more beneath the surface.
That's right. Anatoly Yakovenko highlights how Solana is evolving beyond just memes. From institutional partnerships to gaming, it's about real-world applications.
So what's the central thesis from Anatoly's insights?
The essence here is that Solana is not just riding the meme wave, it's actively building a versatile ecosystem that aims to rival Ethereum by focusing on practical impacts on industries.
What about institutional interest? Are big players really getting involved?
Absolutely. PayPal announced its stablecoin integration with Solana, and Franklin Templeton is shifting mutual funds to the blockchain, validating Solana's growing influence in finance.
And how's the gaming space evolving in Solana's ecosystem?
It's thriving. The Sonic Gaming SVM is launching, engaging gamers and providing developers a platform to innovate, showcasing Solana's commitment to becoming a gaming hub.
What about performance? Are they really breaking records?
You better believe it. The Frankendancer project is hitting 1 million transactions per second, ensuring Solana's tech leads in scalability like never before.
What does Anatoly predict going forward?
He predicts that with greater institutional backing and enhanced capabilities, Solana could potentially outpace Ethereum in the long run.
And what's the outlook for gaming on Solana?
Big growth ahead. As more applications are developed, Solana is poised to attract countless gamers, shaping the future of blockchain gaming.
To wrap it all up, what's the big picture for Solana?
Solana is revolutionizing the blockchain landscape by aligning itself with leading institutions, fostering gaming innovation, and scaling to new heights. It's a thrilling time ahead.
But hold on. Next up, we're diving into insights from Lark titled Bitcoin Just Flipped. Get ready.
Don't change that channel. Lark's got some hot takes on the crypto market you won't want to miss.
Time to navigate the currents of today's discussion. What's happening with Bitcoin? Is it really breaking out?
That's right. Lark dives into some big updates today, showcasing Bitcoin's recent movements and potential future trends.
What's the core thesis behind Lark's analysis?
The main takeaway is that Bitcoin's recent breakout above crucial moving averages might signal the start of a larger bullish trend, especially as we enter historically strong months.
Let's break down the points. First, what's the latest on Bitcoin's price momentum?
Bitcoin's recent movements are remarkable. Closing above its 200-day simple moving average is a significant achievement. And with October here, we're looking at historically strong returns. 22.9% on average.
What other market conditions are influencing Bitcoin?
Lark highlights that China is injecting significant liquidity into its markets, which is driving excitement. Meanwhile, the U.S. Federal Reserve might be cutting interest rates, further enhancing the bullish sentiment in cryptocurrencies.
Let's talk predictions. What can we expect moving forward?
With the momentum building, Bitcoin might reach around $79,000 if we see that expected price surge. Q4 and the start of next year are looking very volatile, so traders should be ready.
What are some sharp predictions made by Lark?
If Bitcoin's momentum keeps going, those months of October and November might just propel us to new all-time highs. Traders should keep a close watch.
What about Ethereum's future outlook?
Ethereum ETFs are starting to show signs of life, which could lead to big price movements. If investment flows in, we might see Ethereum catch up to Bitcoin.
What are the overall conclusions we can take from Lark's insights?
Bitcoin's momentum is definitely strong, with favorable market conditions paving the way for significant gains. The market is in a prime position for action.
And stay tuned. Our next summary dives deep into the real reason Bitcoin is about to hit $70,000.
Don't miss the insights that will be shared next time. You're going to want to hear what's brewing in the crypto market.
Let's dive right in. Bitcoin is on a moon mission, with experts predicting it could hit $70,000 soon. It seems everyone is talking about it, except, ironically, those who could benefit most.
Here's the full scoop. Recent historical moments like Donald Trump making headlines with Bitcoin set the stage for a bullish future. Could crypto really pay off our massive national debt? Let's dissect this.
What's the core thesis here? Can Bitcoin truly soar to $70,000?
Absolutely. The thesis is that Bitcoin is primed for growth due to a mix of political endorsements and economic changes. The factors gathering strength could genuinely propel prices upward.
What are the exciting developments on the political front?
It's noteworthy. Trump hints at using Bitcoin to tackle national debt, while Vice President Kamala Harris is now openly advocating for blockchain innovation. It's a 180-degree turn.
And how is the market reacting to the Fed's interest cuts?
Bitcoin is thriving. Analysts note it's the best performing asset currently, with the Fed's cuts sparking liquidity. This creates a favorable environment for Bitcoin's rise.
What can we expect in terms of Bitcoin's price predictions?
The outlook is bullish. Analysts suggest that once Bitcoin surpasses 70,000, it could quickly leap to 100,000 and potentially 200,000 in the near future.
What are the most thrilling predictions for Bitcoin's trajectory?
Based on past cycles, a big acceleration is anticipated. If liquidity increases, we could be heading for unprecedented highs quite soon.
And how about regulations? What should we keep an eye out for?
Regulations are a double-edged sword. They can provide clarity, but sudden changes can also create significant volatility in the market. Investors will need to stay alert.
As we wrap it up, what should we take away from all this buzz?
The key takeaway? Bitcoin is positioned for potential surges over the next 2 years based on both market and political influences. Time to keep your eyes peeled.
But wait, there's more to explore. Next up, dive deep into Ethereum insiders are selling. Watch this if you hold ETH.
You won't want to miss what this means for Ethereum holders.
Time to navigate the currents of today's discussion. What's the latest gossip in the crypto world? Well, Ethereum insiders, including Vitalik Buterin himself, are selling off their ETH, and the market's buzzing. But
let's get straight to the facts. The Ethereum Foundation has been offloading significant amounts of ETH recently, sparking worries about its impact on ETH's price. Buckle up, as we'll explore what this means for your portfolio.
So what's at stake here? What's driving the Ethereum insider sales?
The core thesis revolves around the question of whether the significant sell-offs by the Ethereum Foundation and Vitalik are signaling bearish trends for ETH. They raise concerns about market confidence and stability.
Let's break down those key points. Starting with the Ethereum Foundation's actions.
Since January 2021, the foundation sold over 240,000 ETH. Historically, these sales have been followed by dips in ETH's price, stirring up investor anxiety.
Interesting. What's the scoop on Vitalik's recent actions?
Vitalik transferred and sold about 900 ETH, netting around $2,200,000. While concerns arose about his intentions, he clarified these sales were intended for charitable causes, not profit.
And what about the state of Ethereum ETFs?
Spot Ethereum ETFs have actually seen net outflows approaching $600 million, while Bitcoin ETFs raked in over $17 billion. Talk about a disparity.
Fascinating. What's the overall sentiment regarding ETH?
Concerns about an impending recession have investors flocking to safer assets, leaving riskier options like ETH struggling for attention. It's all about risk appetite.
So, what does the future hold for Ethereum?
The anticipated Pectra upgrade aims to improve user experience significantly and enhance decentralization, setting the stage for a stronger Ethereum ecosystem.
What do the experts predict about ETH's short-term pricing?
Expect some price volatility. Insider sales could lead to local tops and dips as the market reacts.
And what about long-term prospects for ETH?
If the Pectra upgrade is successful, it could spark a recovery in market confidence. Plus, renewed institutional interest could be just around the corner.
What's the takeaway from all this?
The Ethereum Foundation's sales and broader market fears create uncertainty, but the upcoming Pectra upgrade may pave the way for restoration, making Ethereum one to watch for future potential.
If you're finding these quick summaries helpful, consider subscribing to stay updated on the unraveling story of Ethereum.
Liking and subscribing supports our channel's ability to bring you informative content. Your input matters. Help us keep spreading the word about Ethereum's journey.
Well, we've heard some electrifying predictions today about Bitcoin and Solana from our guests.
Absolutely. George Tung highlighted the power of institutional investments driving Bitcoin's potential surge.
And Anatoly Yakovenko has his sights set on Solana's rise in the crypto market.
But Lark Davis reminds us that while the excitement is real, we should still keep a cautious eye on market swings.
It's clear that both Bitcoin and Solana could be great opportunities, but timing is everything.
So, if you found these insights valuable and want to stay ahead in the crypto game, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more expert analysis.
And don't forget to check out our other videos right here to keep your financial knowledge growing.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.